What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, so today another great day, and things, as you know, if you have seen my weekend video, I told you that this week will be an awesome week. And can we hit $200 by Friday this week, as you saw on the thumbnail of this video? Let's talk all of that in this video. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. I'm only sharing my opinion just as how I'm trading and reading the market. That's all. All right. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes in the stock market, and whatever you do, it's up to you. Okay. I take no role, no part, no guarantee of anything. All right. Your business, your business. You do whatever you want to do. Okay. So, Tesla, here what we have is, so today, well, let's little bit go back over the weekend and Friday. What happened? Well, we did see, let's go to the hourly interval for that actually. So we did see on the false rumor or new, well, false news pretty much from Reuters that Tesla is scrapping its EV model. There's a back and forth going on that, like they're delaying or something, and other things Elon says they're lying as well. So there's a mix of that news. Okay, stock reacted quite heavily to that and then bounced up and sold off. However, then Elon was really hurt by that from the Reuters, right? Elon said, "How dare you, Reuters, again? You lying again?" Elon went to his team and he's asked them, "When is the Robotaxi coming out? Tell me right now." And they said, "All right, 8th of August." Elon said, "Okay, 8th of August is Robotaxi coming out." And the price just went straight to the moon from there. Now, the thing is that what I have talked about over the weekend as well is that there's a positive forward-looking momentum and sentiment that has been built upon Tesla now. Look at it in the post-market looking great as well. Now, and riding on that sentiment together with the technicals, and we will talk about technicals, is what is driving Tesla stock back up. I'll show you some bots as well, some other things as well as how they have been doing, but things are looking great. And that's what we have been talking about. I said that this week will be awesome. I'm still in the bulls camp. I still have my position on Tesla that I have been sizing in, sizing out. If you want to know about that as well, check out my previous videos. And also, well, we are, looking great back again to the upside in this momentum. So a lot of things to cover. To start off with, let's go back to the daily interval. And what we are seeing on the daily interval is a really good support in the green box as well of our support zone with the double bottom. So we have had multiple tests of this level, good, buying happening, wicks coming down here. So that's looking technically really great. And Tesla today has also closed above 20 days moving average. This is awesome. We did go as high as just shy of 175. I wanted this to go above 175, but it didn't do that. Hopefully tomorrow. And compared to the rest of the market where Nvidia has sold off and other semiconductors and market stayed choppy, Tesla outperformed the market again, being just shy of 5% up, right? Like, this is awesome, right? So what is we are looking at now, right? So on daily interval, yes, things are looking like to me that there's a good accumulation phase happening here on Tesla, and we have formed some really good supports. Getting above 167 almost was a good win as well, because we took out this one pivot over here, right? So we are up there now. So let's go back to the hourly interval and let's talk a couple of things. Well, before actually that, I just want to show you my bot as well, on my day trading bot. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Today also was a good position. We got into the long play and went up. Previous on Friday we had a losing day. Then before that, we had another good green day. But you can see here the last 30 trades of data on the left-hand side. Again, nothing is guaranteed. There are red days as well, right? But anyways, looking great. I use this as a reference. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of the video. So, all right, let's go back to now the hourly interval. So today on the hourly interval, there are good things I'm seeing. Well, first of all, we are above 200 hours moving average already. That's great. And not just above 200 hours moving average. You are seeing that Tesla is holding that level. It broke out of above 200 hours moving average and started holding that level. 175 is just rejected at the shy of that resistance, so this, which is a significant level. So I'm not surprised why I didn't break it, because the momentum is already run up, right? And then it's a significant level. Market is slowing down during the lunch hour. So if tomorrow in the early morning again, during the early hours, if we can break out above 175, that's awesome. Then 180, and as I'll talk with you through a lot of things, we'll get to know a little bit more of the things. But also, with all of that said, Tesla has formed a good pivot again. Here's your sort of pivot. Now, to get this pivot right, we have to go to the 30 minutes actually, and this is the almost, again, nothing will be penny to penny perfect, but this is as how, area that we can capture on this. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the area. Let's go back to the hourly interval. Let me, yeah, I want to keep at least the last two pivot points the priority. That's why I'm adjusting based off of the last two priority. The wick is fine. Wick, you have a gray area to move it in and around. Okay, so as long as we are still in this trend line, Tesla is still looking great. Tesla is, earlier it was following this trend line and so forth, right? It sort of looks like a channel as well. But yeah, so as long as we are into this trend line, that's all great. For now, I'll just get rid of this trend line, because just to keep the chart cleaner, because, oops, sorry, because 20 and 50 hours can also be used as a support in that direction of the trend line as well now. So, but yeah, we have a higher low formed already. The pivot has formed. Tesla right now is in a intraday long structure, okay, on the long term, or well, on the long side of the position. So yeah, yeah, I still have my position open on Tesla. I don't have anything to talk about it today because I didn't size in or size out today. I'm still holding that position. If you want to know what's the update of my last position, or what my status of position is on Tesla, check out my previous videos. I'm still holding my position. I did size out in these areas of profits before. I loaded more at these down areas, and then I'm still hanging along to my position. I'm net profitable still, and I'm just carrying it through the journey. Now, question comes, $200. Is this possible by Friday? Well, all right, double bottom, great bullish sign. Broke this neckline pivot, great bullish sign. Closed above 20 days moving average, great bullish sign. Hourly interval, we are above 200 hours moving average and holding that as a support now, great bullish sign. We are above 20 and 50 hours moving average, great bullish sign. We have a pivot formed already higher low, great bullish sign. We are above this pivot line, above this trend line, great bullish sign. It's looking great to me. Now, what are the areas that where my attention is? So yes, everything is heading towards $200. We can do it by the end of this Friday, or by the end of this week, which is by Friday. 175 is significant level that if we can break above tomorrow and close above tomorrow, that's a big win already for the bulls into this week. And then I'm watching this 180 and $185, two areas. If we can cross these two above by Wednesday, yes, by Friday we can test almost $200 range. So give it this zone. Yes, we can come up there. And if we come up there, provided as we break level by level, we definitely need, and Tesla is looking in that direction really strong, okay? And this is your weekly interval, right? So where will that, just crossing above 185 will already negate, will confirm this accumulation phase. Even going above 175 is a great win because we have closed above the previous pivot. All right, so that means this is a good accumulation phase confirmed into this our support box, which this support box is holding up from this time here. So yeah, this is very important for us to do, and it's good for us to do it as soon as possible, because if we spend 1 or 2 weeks more in this choppiness, guys, the more we consolidate here, this accumulation phase would soon start to become, a distribution phase to the downside, because the longer we stay, the problem we have. Why? Because on weekly, we are still in this downtrend. So we shouldn't spend much time in here. That's why we want to see these breaks to the upside soon enough. And that's why I like to size in, size out my position based on the sentiment of the price action, right? But still, Tesla is looking great on the daily intervals. On the bullish side, Tesla has good chance, more than 70% chance, 80% chance around to test around the area of $200. Tesla has a room this week to go above 185 as well, in my opinion. Look, tomorrow, if we can get above 175 and close above that, yes, by Friday, all these things are possible, which is almost $200 as well. If tomorrow, because we want to get into this momentum, right? If tomorrow we close our red day below 20 days moving average, we won't become bearish. Yeah, we won't be becoming bearish, but it's gonna become a waiting game again, and then we need that momentum. Okay, it's gonna then again make things a little bit indecisive in a way that how much long is that confirmation going to come for the momentum, right? Because once things starts to go into pullback, which means there's a highly likelihood pullbacks can turn into bearishness, right? So once we become bullish, we gotta stay in that momentum. There's a first stage of turning around, that is a pivot, right? Pivot. And then second stage is of staying in that pivot, maintaining higher highs, higher lows, the uptrend, then getting into the momentum phase. So these stages are very important as we go through the journey of stock in any direction, right? For Tesla, for me, it's on the upside, looking great so far. As I said, I have my position on it and I'm loving it. Alrighty guys, well, that's all for this video. Well, before wrapping up, actually, I just want to show you QQQ and SPY as well real quick. And again, yeah, it's a red day, not a huge sell-off, but again, that bearish engulfing candle is still acting, and in my opinion, this is still a distribution phase. It's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game, but it's more than a month. It has been it's in the distribution phase. Yeah, so an hourly interval, you can see it's below 200 hours moving average as well. So yeah. Yep. But again, we gotta get out of the distribution phase, right? So this is SPY below 200 hours moving average. Look at it today. It was just rejecting all the time over there, right? Got bought back. Oh, well, that was the last time. But yeah, today I just reacted just like last Friday. Rejected under 200 hours moving average. Just rejecting there. Then 20. And here's the thing, right? The bulls are not letting loose this 20 days moving average, right? This is like today was a choppy zone. Let's see tomorrow if we continue lower. In my opinion, yeah, this is also a distribution phase on SPY. Well, guys, that's it for this video. As I said, if you found this video helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, Wall Street alerts, all this stuff. Links are in the description below to my tools. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.